Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm just doing a quick review today on the meguiar's carnauba wash and wax. So I'll be washing my car on a nice Sunday afternoon. Show you guys how to wash your car properly. Do a review on the carnauba wash and wax by meguiar's. So I've mixed the carnauba wash and wax in there. You just want to mix it around. You just want to get that that soapy feel to it, where it's a bit slimy. Right, so we got the wash and wax in the bucket there. So what we're gonna do now is just give the car a bit of a hose down. Grab our sponge, put it into the soapy, and what I like to do is I like to work from the top down, and then I'll do the wheels. Right, so one of the ways that I was taught how to wash a car while I was doing work experience at a dealership, just to go sideways and not circle ways. So just sideways like this. So always just to the side. Try not to go circle ways. I don't know why. That's just the way that I was taught by the detailer at the dealership. So the way that I like to wash cars is I like doing it in sections. So I like doing it one side, rinse it down, the other side, rinse it down, and then I'll do the boot, and then rinse that down, and then I'll end up doing the front end, and then I'll rinse that down. Just saves the soap from drying up, and then it leaves like little stains on your windows and stuff like that. This is my favorite part of washing the WRX. I love washing this big wing here. The last and final bit, the front end. Give it another hit with water. Then we can try and get all the bugs and road grime off the front end. don't forget to wash that iconic STI badge. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and chamois the car down so we don't get no water etch marks in the clear. So I used to, when I was an apprentice, I used to chamois the car like this. Just, you know, scrunch it up as you do. But then the detailer was like, why are you using such a big chamois in such a small area? I'll show you how to do it, he says. So he said, open it like this, and use the whole chamois. Twice the surface and faster. Alright guys, so we just finished using the meguiar's wash and wax. Just taking the car for a nice drive under this nice scenery here. Thought I'd pull over and give my thoughts on the meguiar's wash and wax. Seems to be a pretty good product, nice and thick. So here's what it looks like. I think it gives it that extra little coating. So it's come out really nice, the meguiar's wash and wax. Highly recommend it. Yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.